I created this fake brand called Blueberry Yogurt, the motion graphics and the flyer design. I did this in After Effects, Photoshop and Affinity. Let's do this. Welcome to Photoshop. This is the mockup for the blueberry yogurt. When I click on layers, you can see everything here. This mockup is an empty mockup, so I had to design the project. So when I click here, you can see the project design inside here. So there you have it. With this shapes here, I used the curvature tool to draw a shape that looks like a blueberry thing. Yeah, some illusional thing. So I had to draw this shape right here, and then I had to download this image here. I'm going to show you the website I downloaded this image from so that you can get all your high definition images from there. This is a fake brand. It doesn't exist anywhere. I just created it for tutorial purpose. So let's switch to Affinity and let me show you what I did there as well. Welcome to Affinity. This is what I did before working on the flyer or the poster design for this fake brand. The first thing I did is to go on Pinterest and then look at some cool designs and then also download some assets or some elements I'm going to use for my flyer design. I am so much in love with this design. I really like the colors. It matches the blueberry yogurt, and then I really love the colors. It's very nice. Alright, so this is what I'm doing next. I'm on this website called Unsplash.com. So it's a place where, or it's a website where you can get so many images, very high definition images that you can use for your artwork. So I got the blueberry images from here. So this is the exact image I downloaded for the design I did. So I want another image of the blueberry. There are some of them that you can't download because it's a paid photo, but when you see things like this, it means they are free images that you can use. I think I'm going to use this image right here, so I need to click on it like this, and then it's downloading right here. So let's get straight into the design. The first thing I'll do is to place an image here. So we select file and then place. So this is the image and this is a PNG. Let me quickly switch to the vector view mode. At this point, the next thing I'll do is to select a background color here. So we select pixel and then new fill layer. And so I want to change this background color to something like this. So let me add a shadow to this. The logo is not that visible enough, so let me change the color to white. Okay, so let's do this. Alright, so this is okay. This is how I designed the flyer for this fake brand called Blueberry Yogurt. So this is actually how I went about it. Alright, so since we have this design here, let's check the animation. This is the animation for this fake brand called Blueberry Yogurt. Let me know down in the comment section what you think about this flyer design and the animation process. If this video really inspired you, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.